Hello, Kern County, and welcome to another episode of Kern Living. I'm your host, Ryan Nelson, and today we're hanging out with our family once again here at Omni Family Health. I'm going to let our guest introduce herself.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kelly Hughes. I'm a pediatrician and the Associate Medical Director here at Omni Family Health, and this time we are here at our corporate office, so it's great to have you here.
And thank you so much. It's beautiful here. It's really, really nice. Today we're talking about colds and the flu. So what time of the year do you usually see colds and the flu increase?
I'm already starting to see them in the clinic. COVID's kind of messed with that timing. We had a late cold and flu season and we're seeing it a lot earlier this year. So we want to protect ourselves this year.
So what can people do to prevent getting the flu?
Well, the number one thing that you can do is get your flu vaccine. So there's a flu vaccine every year, and kids as young as 6 months can get their first flu vaccine. Make sure we wash our hands. If we're not feeling well, stay home. Within clinics, we're still required to wear the mask because they worked and we didn't get sick last year. We had almost no flu season during the pandemic. So if you're not feeling well or you feel like you are susceptible, then wear it.
So how can someone make an appointment if they get sick or if a family member gets sick?
So if we're not feeling well this season, or if you're feeling well and you have other questions, you would call our 866 number, which is at the bottom of the screen here. We have providers available. You can do telemedicine. We try and do it with video if we can, so we still get that connection with you. And so with the telemedicine, we've got some after hours available as well as weekend hours available to help you out and walk you through what needs to happen with whatever's going on.
So you mentioned the word telemedicine. I myself am not familiar with what that is. Could you be able to explain that?
Yeah, so that's when the provider gives you a call and we talk to you over the phone and ask you a lot of questions about your symptoms and what's going on.
Okay, so it's like a doctor's appointment, but just over the phone.
Exactly.
Would someone who doesn't have insurance be able to be treated by Omni?
Absolutely, absolutely. That's what Omni, that's our mission statement, is to serve the underserved.
And I know that Omni has free pharmacy delivery. Would you be able to tell me more about that?
Yeah, it's a great service. So any prescription that comes from us or even another provider to one of our pharmacies, as long as there's a note from the other provider saying they would like this delivered, we deliver for areas as far up as Fresno to California City and Mojave.
Wow, it absolutely sounds amazing. If somebody wanted any more information on all of the things that we talked about, where exactly can they find that?
You can go to our website to look for other information. We've got other social media pages, as well as always calling the 866 number that we have on the screen, and that'll help you out.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for all the information. Once again, thank you to Omni Family Health for keeping us safe and teaching us how to stay safe from the flu and colds and all the health risks that come with life. So thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Glad to have you.
Make sure you follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Kern Living and myself at Ryan Nelson 23. We're going to discuss some more health stuff because I have some questions because I get sick sometimes. So I'll see you all next time.